Hi guys, it's Patrick here again with an airsoft gun video. This is the MK-1 Mark 1. I'm assuming that's what that stands for. This is by KJ Works. I'm going to show you how to assemble and disassemble this gun. First off, this is one of the easier guns to take apart, or I guess you could say. Now, this right here is your spraying housing and your housing latch. You want to pull that back, pull out the housing, pull that down. Okay, push that to the side, don't lose it. Now when you do that, your whole upper receiver and lower receiver becomes loose. There's no longer anything holding it together. In that case, just pop that right off. Here's your upper receiver and your lower receiver. Your magazine. Firing pin. This is what part of your trigger mechanism pulls your barrel back into the mag, so you have a good seal in between the mag and the barrel. Your bolt, or on the real gun it will be a bolt of a receiver, and if you just do that to your whole upper receiver, your barrel will come out. When you shoot it, this whole barrel goes back. This is your hop up barrel. That's really about it. Whole upper and lower assembly and reassembly. There's not much to it. Honestly, reassembling this gun is a lot more difficult than taking it apart, as all things are. So now, I'm going to show you how to reassemble your gun. First, you want to put your mag in. Your lower receiver is now ready for your upper receiver. But first, you want to put your barrel on your hop-up in. And make sure it's lined up. Make sure your hop-up is facing up. Otherwise, it would not go in. Sucks having big fingers. Here you go. Your barrel is now in here. And this is where you adjust your hop up. You're now going to want to put your bolt into your upper receiver. Yep. And now, the more tedious part, or more annoying, because you have to line this up correctly. Make sure your bolt is put up. Make sure you put it in, just in slats. Now when you put it in, there's a hook right there. And this has to line up with these two things it hooks onto. Anyway, let's get that back on it. If I could do it a second time. Ugh. There you go. You now have your lower and upper receiver and your bolt in now. Now you'll put your housing for your spring. Your spring is housed in there. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, the latch is closed. Your spring is in between here. In that case, it's right here. This is what causes your firing pin to hit your I don't know what that's called. Your crap. Anyway, it hits your mag. Your where it releases the gas, so you can propel your baby forward. Anyway, here's your bolt kind of, you could say, your pin. There you go. And make sure you get it into this hole right here, lining up with your bolt and your upper receiver and your lower receiver, which is not too difficult. See, now you have the pin is now in. What I found to help to do is kind of like wiggle your trigger while you put it in, because that's what's causing it to get stuck sometimes. Now you just want to close it. Now you're fully assembled gun. There you go. Your MK-1 is now reassembled. See you guys. Take it easy.